Hey guys, welcome back to 31 Days of Splits Halloween, and today we're working on The Nightmare Before Christmas with Sally and Jack Skellington. As you can see, we're going to start by painting half our face blue so we can start working on Sally. The body paints that I'm using for this look are from Wolfe Face Art and FX body paints. They are water activated and they are a full palette with all your primary colors that you can mix and match to create any color that you need. Here we are going in with Morphe's 35B palette. We're going to use mostly the body paints and this palette just to achieve this look. We're going in right around the eye just to give our eyes some definition with this blue so we don't look so flat. Just a few different blue colors just to deepen up that eye just a smidge, and a little bit of a navy blue black shade in that crease. Next, we're going to use Anastasia Beverly Hills Moon Child Glow Kit just to give her a little bit of pop on her eyelid, just make it stand out. And then we're going to go through and highlight the face again so she doesn't look so flat, and just to make her a little girly because I want to add a little pizzazz to her. Here's where we start with a little bit of the detail. She's got a few stitches down her face because it really looks like she's stitched up and made patches along with her clothing. So here I'm just going with a smaller brush, adding in a blue shade, and then kind of like trying to blend it a little bit, and then we're going to go and add some other colors to it too, just to give it a little bit more depth and definition. Just with the few same blues that we used on the eye, we're going to use that on these little stitches as well. Here we are going back in with that body paint and adding the stitches in over these seams just to give it the added detail. We're using a much smaller brush to do these lines and stitches, and I did look at a photo just to see how the stitches went so it looked like we knew exactly what we were replicating in these photos. Here we're just adding a little bit of white right under that eye area, right under the waterline, just because she's more of a doll-like eye. Even though we didn't do her full doll eyes, I want to add a little bit underneath. And then we're going to go in with those blue shadows again. And we're just going to define that edge to get a little more depth so it looks more three-dimensional. And then later on, we're going to pop a lash right on the bottom of it. Here we are going with Lime Crimes Velveteen and Rustic. One of my favorite lip products for liquid lips of all time. Here we are just detailing it up around each stitch with a little bit of dark navy blue shadow or a black shadow just to give that stitch a little bit of depth like it's indenting into the skin. Just a smidge. And here we are again, just going back over with a very thin brush and some black body paint just to add a little black line on each stitch. Gives it a little bit more 3-dimension so it doesn't look so flat. We want it to look realistic. Since we're using body paints, it didn't actually glue stitches on. Now it's time to bring Jack to life with a little bit of white body paint. Here we are marking out Jack's mouth just like we did Sally's, except for using different shades more on the black gray range as opposed to navy blue and blue. Here we are just drawing the outline of his eye socket. I did my best. I don't know if I'm really satisfied with the final product of his eye, but hey, it was good enough for his first attempt, I thought. Here with the black body paint, just adding a few stitches to Jack's mouth. Just adding a few wrinkles where his skin was pulled back on Jack's face where Sally's came in. And now we're going to sit here and we're going to add his brow. So here's the finished look for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did and took something away from it. Make sure you share the video, like it, and subscribe to my channel if you guys aren't already subscribed. Thanks so much for hanging out with me. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye!